Oh, hi, welcome to my channel. Here we are reviewing and using and trading on binary options, on pocket options with a lot of strategies. Today, for example, we're gonna use one of them, the best strategies I know, the best trader you see right now. So let's get started. If you want to save money without trading, you can watch this video till the end, participate in the giveaway, and let me know in Telegram so I can give you part of my profit. Let's proceed. So we are on the broker. So today we will use one of my favorite strategy. This is gonna be a very specific strategy, MACD plus RSI, guys. So let's pick those indicators, MACD and the RSI oscillator. All right, we do not change anything on the MACD. Default settings will work, but what concerns the RSI, we set the period to 8, and I guess we'd better change the color of the oversold zone. All right, so you may ask me, how do we open positions? Easy, guys. As always, we're looking for the crossing of the moving averages on the MACD. Also pay attention to the line on the RSI when it touches the oversold or over both zones, and also when the line crosses the level 50, it will show us the market sentiment. So I guess, yeah, not to mention that we should never forget about the support and resistance zones. Almost forgot about it too. So let's get started. Let me just update the trade amount because I almost forget about this too, and let's get started. Alright, positive dynamic just showed up, and a good price rebound from this level is going to happen. Correction is about to finish. Let's open long position here, for example. It's quite simple. So what do we see? There is a positive histogram on the MACD, and at the same time the crossing of the moving averages, and they are facing up, guys, as you can see. So the upward price dynamics is very likely to happen. And by the way, we see this red candle here. Correction should be over now, and the price will go to the upside. And look at this strong support zone here, not to mention that the rebound from the level 50 on the RSI is about to happen. We count on that, guys. So yep, just so simple. The price is way higher than the position entry level. Basically, we see a low volatility on the market. It works for us, and there's several seconds left before the expiration, 44. So we're in a profit. That's nice. Our first position have been closed with a profit. They're $516 on the balance. Let's continue our trading session. Hmm, 80%. Very good. Well, accumulation zone. And the crossing is happening. The rebound is just to be happen. Let's open long position right away. Why not? We can't miss this chance. We observe the crossing of the moving averages on the MACD. The positive histogram just showed up, and the price is likely to move up. The moving average is near the oversold zone on the RSI, right? So the rebound should happen in any seconds, guys. Any second. So if you look on the chart, of course, we see this strong downward dynamics, then this accumulation zone, and eventually the price breakout will happen. I have no doubt about it. Let's have a look. We have a great trade entry level. Intense moment. Yep, the breakout is happening now. So the strategy is what? Of course it works, guys. You have to start it now. I mean the practice. So we're almost close to $1,000 on the balance. So the crossing just happened here. That's why I opened short position here. Let me clarify. Here's the crossing of the moving averages on the MACD. They're facing downwards now. At the same time, the negative histogram just showed up and we see the reversal on the RSI. The line was close to the overbought zone and now it's high time to change direction. If we look at the chart, the accumulation zone has been formed here. At the same time, we see this resistance zone, after which we expect to see a good correction. Guys, do you understand it? I wish. So let's have a look. This is exactly what's happening. The price broke down just as we expected. Nice, we're in a profit, $1,600 on the balance. That's extremely cool. Let's continue. Let me just select the concept app. Histogram is in the red. We can assume that the price will go down. So let's open a short here. All right. If we look at the chart, we see this strong resistance zone here after it's touching what? The price started going down, of course, and it should go even lower despite the bullish momentum here. Now, despite that there was the crossing on the MACD, then these negative dynamics and also the moving average on the RSI is facing downwards, and it's about to break the level 50 and move closer to the oversold zone. Simple as that. So let's have a look. I think the price breakdown should happen in any second. Nice, you saw that correction, huge dump. That's why I love trading, because of that moment sometimes. That's great. Let's update the amount. Let's put down $2,000 and what? Let's analyze the market. I think the price should go higher, so let's open long position here. The principle is exactly the same, guys, exactly the same. The first thing to pay attention to is the crossing on the MACD. The positive dynamics just showed up and it should gain momentum, that's for sure. At the same time, we observe the rebound from the level 50, right? On the RSI, sorry, and obviously a good pullback is very likely to happen. Here's inception on the new candle gonna be in 5 seconds, so let's just wait. Here's the new candle. Yep, we're in profits. Even the volatility is quite low in the market so far because it's almost a night and it's quite dangerous to trade now, but still we're getting profit. Alright, 2 short positions here. Market is quite unpredictable now, quite dangerous, but this pair looks good. I'm going to show you one more time. We see the crossing of the moving averages on the MACD. At the same time, here's a strong accumulation zone. Seems like the price is going to drop a little bit. At the same time, the moving average broke the level 50 on the RSI and it should move down. So after this stagnation, the price should choose its direction, guys. And as you can see, the price is going down. And we are in a profit, guys. That's great. $7,000, even a bit more we have on our deposit. Let's open final positions. Let me just find some good entry points. Let's open short positions here, final positions. The new candle just showed up and we see the crossing on the MACD. The moving average on the RSI is facing down and basically the prices will go down. So it's possible that we're not going to see high volatility here, but anyway, we caught a nice trade entry level, guys. And there's a strong resistance zone right at the level of our position entry. By the way, the price break out is already happening, and also we see the negative histogram on the MACD. This is exactly what we needed, guys. And look at this beauty. Oh damn, that's incredible. Our indicators haven't let us down. You can see the dump, that's great. Our final positions in the profits, closing in the profits, that's great. All right, $12,000, okay? This is all what I want to say. Let's withdraw them. All right, continue button, and transaction is done, guys. I'll attach the screenshot at the end of the video. So thank you for watching. You see, we just made in a few minutes $12,000. Remember it, 12,000. So likes, comments, subscriptions to YouTube and Telegram. Have a good market. Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get a $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start. And 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.